Welcome to my channel Reels to Meals. Today we are making Middle Eastern classic hummus. This is not only a healthy dish but also a delicious one. For this I am taking 150 grams of garbanzo beans which I am washing till the water runs clear. After washing them, I'll be soaking them for minimum of 8 to 12 hours, or you can soak them overnight. After 8 to 12 hours, in a pan I'll be boiling some water. To that I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, which will help to break down the beans. I'm adding my soaked beans and I'm covering it and I'm letting it cook on slow heat. While our beans are cooking, let's make another main ingredient in the dish, which is tahini. Without tahini, a hummus is incomplete. In a pan, I have taken 50 grams of white sesame seeds, which I am slowly roasting them on low heat, dry roasting them without any oil. After they are nicely golden, cool them down and I'm transferring it to a mixer jar. To that I'm adding salt and some olive oil, or you can add sesame oil for extra flavor. Grind it to a paste and a tahini is ready. You can add it for hummus or any other dish you like. Our beans are nice and soft. Now let's prepare a hummus. Add the beans to the mixer jar. To that I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of tahini which we made, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, salt to taste, 1 wedge of lemon juice, it's around 1.5 teaspoon, and to this I'm adding a little bit of icy cold water. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and grind it to a smooth paste, and let's plate it. Place your hummus in the center of the plate as much as you like, and with the back of the spoon make a nice well in the middle and a wavy pattern, as you can see in the video. And on top you can drizzle some extra virgin olive oil, some smoked paprika for some heat, and for some freshness, some chopped parsley. And there you have it, guys. Middle Eastern classic at home in minutes. Please try this recipe and serve it with some pita bread or some falafel. Thank you for watching.